Welcome to our presentation of NFCGate. In this presentation we will show you how to use NFCGate to forward NFC data between the passport document and the reader. We can tell that this is an electronic passport because it has the symbol at the bottom, so we know that it has an NFC chip embedded into it, which we can read with the reader on the right. Traditionally, we would take this document and just plant it on top of the reader. The reader is then connected to the PC and can be used to read out data from the passport. What we want to do instead is to use the two Android devices we have down here. We will take this Nexus S and place it on top of the passport, and we have a Nexus 5 which we will place on top of the reader. The Nexus 5 will then receive commands from the NFC reader and forward them to the Nexus S. The Nexus S will communicate with the passport and send back the replies. To connect the two devices, we developed a server application. This server can be hosted on any machine reachable over the network. To connect two devices, one device creates a session and is issued a 6-digit token. This token can then be entered on the second device to join the same session. The two devices are now connected. In order to read out the passport document, we now place the Nexus S on top of the passport. It detects the NFC chip and reads out some information including the UID and passes it to the Nexus 5. The Nexus 5 in turn emulates it. If we now place the Nexus 5 on top of the reader, we can see that the LED starts flashing, indicating that the card has been discovered. The Nexus 5 will now wait for commands from the NFC reader and forward them to the Nexus S, which will in turn send them to the passport and pass back the response. For our proof of concept, we are using the RFID I/O toolkit, which is capable of reading out information from a passport. In this case, we have decided to read out the basic information of the passport, including the image. Due to the file size, this takes a while, but in the end, we receive a result. This concludes our demonstration of NFCGate. NFCGate was built at the Secure Mobile Networking Lab, Technische Universität Darmstadt. For more information, please visit the link shown on the screen.